Hi guys, my name is Faraj Tongo. Today I'm back again to tell you about engine misfire in relation to the 4-stroke cycle that I spoke about last week. Engine misfire can cause loss of power and in most cases high fuel consumption. On the petrol engine, I'm going to talk about the 7 main factors that contribute to engine misfire. Number 1, ignition coil. On the power stroke, a spark of electricity is induced in the cylinder, pushing the piston and making the crankshaft turn. In the event that we have a faulty ignition coil, this will cause engine misfire. Number 2, faulty spark plugs. In the event that we have a faulty spark plug, inadequate spark will be induced in the cylinder, therefore causing engine cylinder misfire. Number 3, faulty injector. On the power stroke, air and fuel are induced in the cylinder. In the event that we have a blocked injector, air will be lacking fuel. Faulty injectors can also cause excessive spraying of fuel and therefore causing engine cylinder misfire. Number 4, bend valves. Delay to change timing belt on the VW and OD engines often causes the belt to break, damaging the valves. Compression will escape through the valve seat, therefore causing engine cylinder misfire. Number 5, worn-out piston rings. Worn-out piston rings will lead to loss of compression on compression and power stroke, leading to engine cylinder misfire. Number 6, damaged piston. On the compression stroke, the piston will rise, compressing the air-fuel mixture, allowing it to heat up rapidly. In the event that we have a damaged piston, compression will escape through the piston, causing engine cylinder misfire. Number 7, last but not least, worn-out cylinder block will also lead to engine misfire.